Okay, welcome back. I would like to show you a bit from the Google I/O 25 keynote in summer, May, June 25. Let's have a look.
Model progress. You can see the step function change here. EVO scores, one measure of progress, are up more than 300 points since the first generation of Gemini Pro. And today, Gemini 2.5
that is regarding
all categories.
AI or chat engines,
It is state of the art on
machine learning engines, actually,
drastic progress,
which is talking about
our updated 2.5 Pro reached number one on Vertex and now surpasses the previous version by 142 zero points. It's getting a lot of love across the top coding platforms thanks to all of it. On Cursor, the leading AI code editor, Gemini is the fastest growing model of the year, producing hundreds of thousands of lines of accepted code every single minute. Now this last milestone might be the most impressive, at least in terms of
Cursor.
A couple of weeks ago, Gemini completed Pokemon Go. It earned all 8 badges, traveled to Victory Road, defeated the Elite Four and the champion, bringing us one step closer to achieving API, artificial Pokemon intelligence. All of this progress is enabled by our world-leading infrastructure, the foundation of our full-stack approach to AI. Our 7th generation CPU Ironwood is the first design, power thinking, and inference at scale. It delivers 10x the performance over the previous generation. It packs an incredible 42.5 exaflops of compute per core. Amazing. It's coming to Google Cloud customers later this year. Our infrastructure strength down to the TP is what helps us deliver dramatically faster models. Of the top models on the LM Arena leaderboard, Gemini holds the top 3 spots for highest output tokens generated per second, all while model prices are coming down significantly. There's a hard trade-off between price and performance. Yet over and over, we've been able to deliver the best models at the most effective price point. Not only is Google leading this parade of frontiers, it's fundamentally shifted the frontier itself. The result, more intelligence available for everyone, everywhere. And the world is responding and adopting AI faster than ever before. One marker of progress. This time last year, we were processing 9.7 trillion tokens a month across our products in this cloud. Now, we are processing 480 trillion monthly tokens. That's about a 50x increase in just a year. We're also seeing a wave of adoption across our developer AI tools. Today, over 7 million developers have built with the Gemini API across both Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. Over 5x growth since last I/O. And Gemini usage on Vertex AI is up more than 40 times since last year. AI adoption is increasing across our products. The Gemini app now has over 400 million monthly active users. We are seeing strong growth and engagement, particularly with 2.5 models. For those using 2.5 Pro in the Gemini app, usage has gone up 45%. You will hear a lot more about the Gemini app later. We're also seeing incredible momentum in search. Today, AI overviews have more than 1.5 billion users every month. That means Google Search is bringing generative AI to more people than any other product in the world. And along with AI overviews, AI mode is the next big step for search. You'll hear more about this later. What all this progress means is that we are in a new phase of the AI platform. The decades of research are becoming reality for people all over the world. I want to share 3 examples of how research is transforming behind the scenes, an array of 6 cameras captures you from different angles. And with AI, we can merge these video streams together and render you on a 3D light view system. With near perfect head tracking down to the millimeter and a 60 frames per second, all in real time. The result, a much more natural and deeply immersive conversational experience. We are so excited to bring this technology to others.
There is nothing about Google being here.
Will be available for early customers later this year. XP will have a lot more to share a few weeks from now. Stay tuned.
You're going to have a lot of fun, and I think you're going to love visiting the city. The house is in a very nice neighborhood and overlooks the mountain.
Eso suena maravilloso. ¿Es la casa cercana al transporte público o recomiendas alquilar un coche? ¿Hay una autobús cerca?
There's a bus nearby, but I would recommend renting a car so you can visit the nature and enjoy it.
Eso suena genial.
You can see how well it matches the speaker's tone, patterns, and even direction. We are even closer to having a natural and free-flowing conversation across languages. And today, we are introducing this real-time speech translation directly in Google Meet. English and Spanish translation is now available for subscribers, with more languages rolling out in the next few weeks. And real-time translation will be coming to enterprises later this year. Another early research project that debuted on the I/O stage is Project Aspen. It explores the future capabilities of a universal AI assistant that can understand the world around us. We are starting to bring it to our products. Today, Gemini Live has Project Aspen's camera and screen sharing capabilities, so you can talk about anything you see. People are using it in so many ways, whether practicing for a job interview or training for a marathon. We've been appreciating the feedback from our trusted testers and some who are a little less trusted. Take a look.
I think you might have mistaken the garbage truck for a convertible. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What's this skinny building doing there?
It's a street light, not a building.
Why are these palm trees so short? I'm worried about them.
They're not short. They're actually pretty tall.
Sick convertible.
Garbage truck again. Anything else?
Why do people keep delivering packages to my lawn?
It's not a package. It's a utility box.
Why is this person following me wherever I walk?
No one's following you. That's just your shadow.
Gemini is pretty good at telling things wrong. We are rolling this out to everyone on Android and iOS starting today. Next, we also have a research prototype Project Mariner. It's an agent that can interact with the web and get stuff done. Stepping back, we think of agents as systems that combine the intelligence of advanced AI models with access to tools. They can take actions on your behalf under your control. Computer use is an important agentic capability. What enables agents to interact with and operate browsers and other software? Project Mariner was an early step forward in testing computer use capabilities. We released it as an early research prototype in December, and we've made a lot of progress since. First, we are introducing multitasking, and it can now oversee up to 10 simultaneous tasks. Second, it's using a feature called Speech Interview, tools you will need to build for an agent ecosystem to flourish, like the open agent-to-agent protocol so that agents can talk to each other. We launched this at CloudNet with support of over 60 technology partners. We hope to see that number grow. Then there is the Model Context Protocol introduced by Anthropic so agents can access other services. And today we are excited to announce that our Gemini SDK is now compatible with MCP2. These technologies will work together to make agents even more useful. And we are starting to bring agentic capabilities to Chrome, Search, and the Gemini app. Let me show you what we are excited about in the Gemini app. We call it Agent Mode. Say you want to find an apartment for you and two roommates in Austin. You each got a budget of $1,200 a month. You want a washer dryer or at least a laundromat nearby. Normally, you'd have to spend a lot of time scrolling through endless listings. Using Agent Mode, the Gemini app goes to work behind the scenes. It finds listings from sites like Zillow, bringing in new customers and improving conversion rates. An experimental version of the Agent Mode in the Gemini app will be coming soon to subscribers.
Yeah, okay, then last round ups will be on Google Deepmind, their AI product.
Where AI is making possible an amazing It's been a year of relentless progress. As Sundar said, people love interacting with Gemini 2.5. We've seen you vibe coded in, building games and apps with a single shot. You've used advanced computing power for everything from unpacking scientific papers to understanding YouTube videos. And you've told us how collaborative, insightful, and genuinely helpful you found using Gemini. It's so exciting for us to see the awesome things you're doing in the week. Gemini 2.5 Pro is our most intelligent model ever, and the best foundation model in the world. Just 2 weeks ago, we shipped a preview of an updated 2.5 Pro, so you can get your hands on it and start building with it right away. We've been really impressed by what we've created, from tiny sketches, interactive apps, simulating entire the new 2.5 Pro tops the popular coding leaderboard for web dev kits. And now as we incorporate LearnLM, our family of models built with education experts, 2.5 Pro is also the leading model for learning. And it's number one across all the leaderboards on LM. Gemini Slack is our most efficient workforce model. It's been incredibly popular with developers who love the speed and low cost. Today,
ਪਾਣੀ ਪੀਏ ਕੋਈ ਸਾਫ ਤੇ ਸਾਦਾ ਪੀਏ ਅੰਦਰ ਖਾਣਾ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਏ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦਾ ਤੇ
I'm excited to say that Slack is generally available in early June with pros in option. Making final adjustments based on the feedback, you can go try out.
Okay, thank you. That's all for now.
We're looking for pros.
We'll take a pause now and try to show you something more